The American Temperament Test Society has been conducting a canine temperament test since 1977. The purpose of the test is to measure a dog's ability to interact with humans and the environment. It focuses on stability, shyness, aggressiveness, friendliness, and protectiveness. The test simulates a casual walk through a park or neighborhood where the dog encounters neutral, friendly, and threatening situations. These factors include friendly and threatening strangers, disruptive noises like gunshots and the sudden opening of an umbrella. Out of 34,686 dogs tested, 29,017 have passed and 5,669 have failed, making the overall passing rate 83.7%. This infographic visualizes the passing percentage of 114 dog breeds compared to their American Kennel Club popularity rank. We chose breeds that had more than 30 dogs tested. The dog breed with the highest passing percentage is the French Bulldog. Of the 52 tested, 50 passed. That means 96.2% of French Bulldogs passed the test. Learn more in our infographic.